So I am sending you guys a link in the chat box of this small test which I am going to conduct today. Just give me a short moment. I am pulling up the link. Okay, so this is the link. I would like you all to access it on your respective device and start with the test. Yes, you guys can start the test. You just have to tap on that link and automatically you're going to get redirected on a Google form. Okay, and there you will be able to see two questions. One is based on true or false, and the second one is based on MCQs. Okay, so you guys have to attempt all the questions.
Excuse me, sir. Sir, you are not audible.
I am not audible. See, dear, I have sent you a link in the chat box.
Sir, I have not received. Sir, I have joined just now.
No
Sir, please
problem.
send again.
I am sending it to you, dear. Just a second.
Okay, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, beta. So this is a link. Just tap on this link and automatically you're going to get redirected on a Google form where you'll get to see a couple of questions which you guys have to attempt. Okay, in this lecture. Once you're done with submitting your response, let me know about the same. And take your time. Okay, be very comfortable. Take your time.
So can you explain me GK question?
Priyanshi, which question you want me to explain you, dear? I didn't heard that.
B.
Question number 2B part, you're saying. Priyanshi, can you please repeat the question? The number of the question. Priyanshi, am I audible to you, dear? Beta, your voice is breaking a lot. Do one thing, just write down in the chat box and I will refer to the chat box in order to know what you're saying because your voice is breaking a lot.
Sir, I am saying question number G.
Question number 2.
So can you like explain the question number G?
Question number G of this. Okay, G part of question number 2, right? Let me come on that part. Okay.
Yes.
For a two-way communication system, the name of the table in which you are storing the information of senders ID, receivers ID, and message should be. So you remember we guys did this app in one of the previous lectures. I think yesterday only we guys completed this two-way communication system app. Okay, so in that I told you that if suppose you want to store this information, senders ID, receivers ID in the message, so what is the name you should give to that table in which we need to store these three information?
Okay, sir.
What is the name?
Sir, I finished.
You are done with the test here? Okay.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Fast, just hold on for a moment now. Let's wait for the others also now to complete the test. Is there anyone else who is done with submitting his or her response for this test? Piyush Garg, why did you join so late today, dear?
Yes, sir.
Why did you join so late today? Piyush Garg. Let me share with you the link of the test you have to attempt in this class. I'm sharing the link with you in the chat box. Just tap on that link. You are going to get redirected on a Google form where you'll get to see some questions which you have to attempt. Once you're done with submitting your response, just let me know what the